Hello, today we'll fly a Boeing 737 with engine low pressure problem at runway 34 at the international airport. The takeoff flaps has been set. We'll use the normal procedure to start the engine. Number 1 engine has started and number 2 engine has started now. You see the smoke is coming out from the engine. The engine condition is not very good, so we'll take off without stressing the engine. Here we go. We given takeoff power, not at a time but gradually, so that the engine doesn't have to overstress, and we will use hopefully the full length of the runway. The engine is not in full thrust. We are adjusting. It's a VR speed, so we are rotating now. Positive climb, gear up. And we started turning right. It said it's better to have at least 3000 feet, so we are climbing to 3000 feet. It's time to flaps up, clean up the aircraft. You see the smoke is still coming, but the engine parameters are okay. It's a map view where we can engage the autopilot. We set 2040 feet per minute, the BS, and heading 041. You see the rate of climb and heading over there. We time to time check the engine panel, as we already know we have some problem with the engine. The engine is not in a very good condition. Now all told and maintaining 3000 feet, we are at 3000 feet now, and we'll cruise at that altitude. This is how it looks from the outside. It's one of the very favorite aircraft of mine. We again checking the engine parameters. It's still normal. It's a fuel parameter. It's now in the cockpit. Let's have a cockpit tour of Boeing 737. This is how it looks like, and this is the first officer's seat and related instruments. The cockpit, it's actually not exactly like this. It's a bit different, but it's okay for this kind of simulation. If I tell you I have the rating on this 737 NG, So it's my side panel, the side view. In the meantime, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and like our video. The engine parameters is still normal. You see the speed is 348 knots and VLO is 250 knots, maintaining 3000 feet, and crosswind is around 4 knots. It doesn't matter to bother about the smoke coming out as long as the engine parameters is okay. So I'm checking the engine panel time to time. You see some aerial shot of this 737. It's lovely. And we successfully done the procedure. Thank you very much for watching. See you next.